Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your MobiOffice app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So that it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just click here on settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on profile options, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, come here to automatic abilited list, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean automatic abilited list disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking